Welcome to PDAC's second video on our greenhouse gas calculator. In this video, I'm going to show you how to provide input data related to the 5 activities. The first activity is drilling. This generally accounts for the majority of the project's emissions. To input data into the calculator, please click the drop-down menu to see the different fuel types. Click Add. Once a fuel type is selected, it will automatically provide an input box for the annual usage. Input the total number of liters used in 1 year. You may have this stored in different ways. For example, if you know the total volume of fuel purchased. This number can be variable due to factors like location as well as hardness of the ground. The second activity, camp power, uses the same fuel type options as drilling. Again, select the appropriate fuel type from the drop-down menu. You will notice natural gas is not in liters like the rest, but in cubic meters. A small camp may use 10 to 15 cubic meters per day for camp power, including heating and water, resulting in a number like this. In the third category, we are aiming to input all transportation fuel needs when the vehicle is owned by your company. This activity provides multiple options in the drop-down as it is segregated by both fuel type, gasoline, diesel, and aviation, and vehicle type. So let's look at an ATV. Of course, in each of the activities, you are able to input multiple different fuel types. So let's add another vehicle. The fourth category encompasses commercial travel that directly contributes to a project's emissions. For example, short to medium flights in and out of a project site. The selection in the drop-down encompasses helicopters, float planes, as well as commercial flights that are segregated by distance traveled. To find the estimated carbon emissions, input the distance traveled in kilometers, as well as the total number of annual one-way tickets purchased. Say we have weekly round trips. Our final category encompasses travel that is not owned by your company and not necessarily directly tied to the project. For example, quarterly fundraising travel by management. The input methodology is the same as project-level commercial travel. Finally, click Calculate. Watch our next video to see how to read these results.